PIN was developed with the goal in mind to reward both website owners and their users, by allowing easy, seamless website payment methods and rewards, which benefit not just the owners, but the whole community. PIN is a new decentralized cryptocurrency on the Binance Smart Chain network, allowing website users to earn crypto by posting content or interacting on certain websites that utilize PIN's unique payment and reward methods to reward their users in an exciting new way. It also allows for easy, seamless transactional methods for users to buy subscriptions and in-website purchases. PIN gives website owners this unique way to reward its users, which will set them a level above their competitors' sites, bringing in thousands of new users who want to earn crypto, instead of receiving the traditional reputation rewards that only offer status, instead of hard-earned crypto for their time. With PIN's unique tokenomics, which allow users to earn free tokens on partner websites, a portion of the transaction fees is automatically redistributed to an owner's pool to replenish and supply PIN to website owners. A portion of the transaction fees is also redistributed to reward our holders of PIN for their loyalty, by way of automatic reflections. How it works. Forum and website owners apply to PIN through our online application form. Our commercial team will review your application and contact the owner for more information. If a forum or website is approved, our commercial team will then look at the website's analytics and throughput to determine that website's portion of allocated PIN tokens that will be airdropped weekly to the owners, to distribute to their users through PIN's unique reward systems, at no cost to the owners. The users then earn PIN tokens by their interaction with that website or forum, that can be exchanged to other cryptocurrencies, cashed out to fiat currency, or more PIN tokens can be bought, and the best option, hold to earn PIN reflections, to further increase your holdings and take advantage of big gains in the crypto market. Step 1. Website owner applies. Step 2. PIN commercial team reviews the application, looks at website analytics, and emails a request form for further information. Step 3. Once approved, a weekly airdrop is distributed to owners, proportional to the website's throughput. Step 4. Users earn PIN tokens based on website interaction. Step 5. Users can exchange PIN for other cryptocurrencies, cash out to fiat currency, buy more PIN for website subscriptions, or other purchases, or hold to earn big gains in the crypto market. It's that simple. If you have any questions, suggestions, or require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact us by email at info@payitnow.io.